Hello everyone. Today let's talk about differential oil seal. This oil seal is applicable to heavy truck. Look, this has with a spring and the color is red brown. There is copy. There is a spring. The size is internal diameter is 80 and the external diameter is 135. The sink is 11 and 26, and this oil seal have OEM number. The OEM number is 2402N-058. You can through the OEM number to find this oil seal. This oil seal have many following features. The first one is with longer service life and vulcanizes at low temperature and more wear resistance, good structure and good brush resistance, high temperature resistance, oil leakage prevention and mud pro water, thickened spring and thickened skeleton. This is spring. And we also can provide customers service. If you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries. We also can send you the free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.